Hello, myself Dr. Bharat Yelgada, Assistant Professor KTHM College, Nasik. Now today's topic is population geography. Introduction to population and settlement geography. In the topic it covers the definition, nature, scope and of population geography, development, population geography of discipline, approaches to study of population geography, definition, subject matter and scope of settlement geography, development of settlement geography, approaches like genetics, spatial and ecological. Definition, nature and scope of population geography. In expression, population geography is term of population, signifies the subject matter and geography refer to the perspective of investigation. Population geography places the investigation into human covering of the earth and its various facts with reference to physical and cultural environment. Although the population geography is in the early 21st century a well established subfield of human geography, this was not always the case of population geography. Presidential address G.T. Trivarta in 1953 is recognized as the original call of the establishment of population geography subfield with the discipline. Since most of the world humanity lives in the less of development part of the world, a significantly larger proportion of the net addition in world population during the first half of the 20th century came from this part. The need for the more detailed account of demographic characteristic resulted in which over from macro to micro level studies, which in turn facilitated population mapping. World population continued to grow at increasing pace. The growing availability of population data after the Second World War facilitated mapping of the other demographic attributes pertaining of different regions of the world. There was a growing consciousness among the people regarding population expansion and its effects on economic development. The less development countries had also begun expressing redistribution of population within the boundaries from rural to urban areas. The emergence of large cities and their manifold problems become a compelling focus by research by geographers. What is the population geography and studies? Population geography is the study of human population with respect to size, composition, spatial distribution, and change in the population, and these over occur at time. Population are changed in three basic processes: fertility, we call as birth; mortality, another one is death; and migration, movement to place across the place. Population geography is the geographical study of population with its emphasis of location and spatial process. While population geography as a formal field of study only the date from 1950s and therefore relatively new. What is the population? The total number of persons in the political or regional area at a particular time, it is called as a population. A group of individuals living in a particular area. From the population statistic, what is meant by population statistic? The figures related to the density, age, sex, race, etc. It is called as a population settlement. Definition of some population geography. First of all, some scholars define the population geography. The first one is J.T. Trivarta. Population geography studies the characteristics of various human groups found in different geographical regions. Now, another one more scholars is Clark. Population geography studies the characteristics of various human group found in different geographical regions and their relationships with physical, culture, and economic factor. Is the precise all the some scholar definitions. What is the population geography? Population geography studies the distribution of population over the surface of the earth along with its characteristics and its relation with geographical personality of the regions. Definition of population geography. Warren Thompson and David Laws. Demography is the study of characteristics of various groups, their distribution, change, in population and its effects in the relation to the well-being to the society. Zelensky. Another one more definition. Population geography means the study of process through which changing population with space time extract the influence of geographical characteristics of the region at the same time impact of the geographical characteristics of the region on the populations. What is the demography? Demography is the scientific study of human population, primarily the respect of their size, their structure, and their developments. Demography is an empirical, statistical, and mathematical study of human population. Its focus on change in population size, composition of population, and the distribution of population in space. Demography may be defined as a qualitative study. The 5 demographic processes like as fertility, mortality, marriage, migration, and social mobility. These 5 processes is determined by size, composition, distribution of populations, and one more important thing, the father of demography is John Grant. Now, nature of population geography. First one is quantitative nature. Second one is geographical nature. Third one is economic nature. One is comparative nature and dynamic nature. Nature of population geography. The nature of population geography is very dynamic and variable. The study of population is a multidisciplinary nature involving economics, sociology, culture anthropology, psychology, politics, geography, medicine, public health, and ecology. The multidisciplinary nature of population geography and its relationship with the other sciences, discussing the difference between the population study and demography, and then tracing the origin and development of population geography. The scope of population geography. The scope means where it is applied, and another one means how its knowledge is applied. Then the opportunity. The study of population is interdisciplinary in scope with the contribution of sociologists, economists, and anthropologists. The geographic perspective especially valuable. The scope of population geography is quite wide. The subject is concerned with the quantitative study of the size, structure, characteristics, and terrestrial distribution of human population and the change occurring to them. The scope of population geography, G.T. Trivarta is confirming the subject matter, and the scope of population geography can be delineated briefly as follows. First one is distribution, second one is the density of population, and third one is migration, and fourth one is growth of population, fifth one is composition of population, literacy and quality of population, seventh rural and urban population, eighth one technological development and population resource ratio, and ninth one geographical overview of world populations. The development of population geography as a discipline, physical geography and human geography as two main branches of geography. In physical geography, we study the nature of distribution of natural phenomena over the surface of the earth. In human geography is a relatively new branch of geography. It is study the cultural landscape, include the language, settlement, industrial and establishment. Physical geography has several branches. For example, geomorphology. Human geography has also several branches: economics, sociology. Population geography is a recently developed and specialized sub-branch of human geography. Scope of the branch is vast. That today it is treated is an independent specialized branch. Geography is a study, nature, and the distribution of physical culture factor over the surface of the earth. Population itself, it is an important aspect which varies over the surface of the earth. In population geography, we study the distribution of population, its growth and characteristics, religions, linguistic composition, sex ratio, age composition, migration, standard of living, its economic structure, etc. The study adoption of various human groups and their respective environment in different parts of the world. Population geography is emerged as an independent discipline only recently. Discussed regarding how the enumerate economics, agriculture aspect the population is focused by the Kautilya on economics. Population and industry is also found in Alan Akbari written the digging in the region of Empire